How to track your orders on Temu. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Temu app on your device and make sure to log into your account. Now, if you want to track your order, tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap on the Your Orders option. Here on the All Orders tab, you are going to find the list of all of your orders. You simply want to find the order you want to track and click on the View Order Details option. Once you click on that option, there will be an option called Track. Tap on that option to view the delivery details and updates. Now, if you want to find your shipped order, you want to tap on the Shipped tab, then tap on the Self-Service to Find Order option. Now, to locate the order, you want to enter your phone number and tap on the Find Order option. You also have other ways to find your orders, such as entering your email address. Here, you want to enter your email address on the box and tap on the Find Order option. Or you can also select Order ID. On the box here, you want to enter your order ID to find your order. And lastly, you can also find your order using the payment method. Here you want to select which payment method was used while placing the order. If it was credit card, you want to enter the first 6 and last 4 digits of the credit card. Then enter the order date. Now enter the payment amount and tap on the Find Order option. And in this way, you can track your order on the Temu app. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.